day, guys. Welcome back to King FX Trading Mastery. If this is your first time you'll be checking on our channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload new content. And make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? So because you're gonna gain a lot of things right here in the video, right? So let's get started. What I'll be sharing with you guys today is going to be really amazing, and it's going to be an awesome topic for you guys. So what do I have to share with you guys today? I'll be sharing with you how to ride a trend with 50 exponential moving average. How to ride a trend with exponential 50 exponential moving average. Okay, so guys, what do we want to see with this strategy, and how can we ride this trend? The only thing we want to see is that we want to be able to see a trend in the case of an uptrend. We want to be able to see a movement this way. All right, then follow that with a moving average. So this is what we want to be able to see, and you will agree with me that uh, trend trading is the best so far. Okay, so we want to move in the direction of the trend. So with this simple strategy I'm going to be teaching you guys, this is a strategy that if you employ it, you're going to gain a lot from it, and if you trade it the way it should be traded, you're going to gain a lot from this. So I'm going to be adding 50 exponential moving average to my chart. All right, so you can see this here is my 50 exponential moving average. So I'm going to use this chart AUD card as an example. All right, so guys, what we want to see, once again, we only want to see, in the case of downtrend, we only want to see a movement of price in this direction. All right, that is what we want to see, and we want to be able to follow that with a single moving average. All right, so with this, I have my 50 exponential moving average plotted in the chart right now. So right from here, you will agree with me that whenever you see a price below the 50 EMA, this tells us that price is on its way down. All right, so now let me scroll back a little bit. Right from here, you will agree with me that once price is above the 50 EMA, it is an uptrend, and the moment it comes below the 50 EMA, it is a downtrend. So in this case, how do we ride the trend with this single moving average? Right, the first thing we want to see is that once price comes below the 50 EMA, we want to be able to see price retested back into the 50 EMA, which means price has to come back into the 50 EMA for the first time. So the next thing we want to see right after that is that we want price to drop. Okay, so on the next touch, which is this, that is where we want to start looking out for our trade. All right, we are not taking trade on the first touch because this is just the first touch. So the second touch is going to be the confirmation to us that price is ready to go down, right? So once price drops after the first touch and price is on its way down right here, so the next thing we want to see is price to go up into the 50 EMA to touch it. And once price touches the 50 EMA, there that is when we want to start looking for a trade. All right. So what do we need to see before we take a trade so that we don't just jump into the market blindly? So once price comes back into the 50 EMA, you want to wait for your candlestick pattern. You want to wait for your bearish engulfing. You want to wait for your uh you want to wait for your candlestick pattern that tells you that price is on its way down. All right. So with that, after the appearance of the candlestick pattern, you want to take your trade. You're waiting for a bearish inside bar, a bearish engulfing, pin bar, and all of that before you take your trade. So after the appearance of the candlestick pattern, you take your trade right here. Then your stop loss is going to be above the high, the last high, while your take profit is going to be the last low. All right, I hope this is clear, guys. Okay, so that is how you take a trade with 50 EMA. So now with this, we have first touch. This is where we take a trade. Second touch, this is where we take a trade. Third touch, this is where we take a trade. Fourth touch, this is where we take a trade. Another touch right here, which is the fifth one. These are the areas where we take our trade, guys. All right. So with that, like I said, we don't want to take trade blindly. So we want to wait for price to pull back into the 50 EMA. So each time price pull back into the 50 EMA, as we can see, that is where we start looking out for a trade, and we look out for our candlestick pattern. So right here we can see we have a candlestick pattern right here, bearish engulfing. Then our stop loss is going to be right above here, 3 or 4 pips above. All right, while our first take profit is going to be the last low. Hope this is clear to you guys. Okay, so right, you can see we have an entry right here, another entry right here, and price pull back into the 50 EMA again, presenting us a candlestick pattern, a bearish candlestick pattern. There we enter, take our trade right after the close of the candle. Then our first profit is going to be the last low. All right, so guys, this is how to ride a trend with 50 exponential moving average. So this is in the case of a sell. So now let's look out for a buy opportunity. Let's quickly pull back. All right, this is a good one right here. So now we can see from below, price broke above the 50 EMA, all right, and it retested it back right here. We can see the first area where we have price broke out and retested is here. Okay, we have price retested is here one. Okay, this is not okay. After this is the first touch. We are not taking our trade on the first touch, so we want to wait for the next touch. All right, because the first touch is just like is not so mature, so we want to wait for the second touch. So on the second touch is a confirmation to us that we are ready that is a very valid area for us to take a trade. So this first touch is a confirmation to the second touch that it is a valid area to take a trade. All right, so now when we have the second touch, we have the second touch right here, we have the third touch right here, we have another touch right here, guys. So now let's say we have about 3 touches right here. So once price, after this first touch, once price goes up, pulls down into the 50 EMA, right here we wait for our candlestick pattern. So here you can see we have a pin bar right here. We have a pin bar right here telling us that price is ready to go up. Okay, so you can see right there, price went up. If you have taken a trade right after the close of that candlestick pattern, then your stop loss just 3 pips above below the low, then your first take profit is going to be right here. This is almost 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. All right. So right after that, we can see we have another push up, and price came back into the same area. All right. So right after that, we wait for our candlestick pattern. So this is going to be our entry after this. Uh, you can see the hammer right here telling us that price is ready to keep going up. Okay, after the touch, then our stop loss is going to be right below, since the high is very, very close. So we may target 1 to 2. All right. So each time price comes into the same area, then we want to look out for our candlestick pattern and take our trade. And once price is ready to break, guys, take note, once price is ready to break the 50 EMA, you will see that price is coming with a sharp move like this. All right. So that is an indication that price is ready to break the 50 EMA, and the trend is most likely going to change. So I hope this is very, very clear. So that is how to ride a trend. Okay. So this is good when you see price giving breaking lows. Okay. As you can see, a low got broken right here. So once the low got broken, we want to wait for price to go back into the 50 EMA, and each time it comes into the 50 EMA, that is where we want to take our trade. All right, this area like this. All right, I hope this is very, very clear to you guys. So this is how to ride uh, a trend with one single EMA. This is a powerful strategy, very, very simple. Both beginners, professionals, and intermediates can use this to make money. So you only want to pay attention to the information I've shared with you guys, and I believe this is going to be is going to help you guys a lot. So if you have gained value with what I have shared with you in this video, please type in something in the chat box. All right, type in something in the comment box below. And if you have just subscribed to our channel, you have just subscribed to our channel, type in I subscribe in the comment box below, and don't forget to share this. Click the like button and share this with everyone. All right, so guys, don't stop here. Check out other videos at the end of this. uh at the end of this video, we have other videos listed for you that will be of great help to you guys. So don't forget to click the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. All right, so thank you so much, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. So happy trading and peace out. Bye bye for now.